Before starting the video, comment below where you are watching it. Owls are mysterious creatures of the night, often associated with wisdom and stealth. But one of the most fascinating facts about these nocturnal predators is their remarkable ability to rotate their heads almost entirely around their bodies. Unlike humans, who have a limited range of neck motion, owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. This unique adaptation is not just a party trick. It serves a crucial purpose in their survival and hunting strategies. So, how do owls manage this extraordinary feat, and why don't they suffer from blood flow issues or damage when they do it? Let's explore the science behind this amazing ability. 1. The structure of an owl's neck. To understand how owls can rotate their heads so extensively, we first need to look at the structure of their necks. While humans and most mammals have 7 vertebrae in their necks, owls have 14. This additional number of vertebrae gives their necks greater flexibility and a wider range of motion. Each vertebra in an owl's neck is also uniquely shaped, allowing it to twist and pivot in ways that a human neck simply cannot. Moreover, the joints between these vertebrae are structured to enable a smooth, almost fluid rotation. Owls have highly flexible ligaments that allow their necks to bend and twist without causing strain. The muscles in an owl's neck are also remarkably strong, allowing the bird to support its head's weight even when it's turned at extreme angles. 2. Special adaptations for blood flow. One of the most puzzling aspects of an owl's head rotation is that it doesn't interrupt blood flow to the brain or cause any injuries. In humans, rotating the head too far would cut off blood circulation, potentially leading to serious injury or even death. However, owls have evolved a set of unique adaptations to protect themselves from such risks. Researchers have found that owls have special blood vessels that allow blood to continue flowing to the brain even when the neck is twisted. Unlike humans, who rely on a few main arteries to supply blood to the brain, owls have a network of smaller blood vessels known as collateral blood vessels. These vessels act as alternative pathways, ensuring a continuous supply of blood even if one path becomes constricted during head rotation. In addition, owls have a special adaptation in their vertebral arteries, which are responsible for delivering blood to the brain. Their vertebral arteries are surrounded by a set of bony holes in the vertebrae, which allows the arteries to stretch and expand without breaking. This unique structure acts like a buffer, absorbing the strain caused by head rotation and preventing the arteries from being damaged. 3. The role of the eyes in head rotation. One of the primary reasons owls need to rotate their heads so far is due to the unique structure of their eyes. Unlike human eyes, which can move within the eye socket, an owl's eyes are fixed in place. This means that if an owl wants to look in a different direction, it has to turn its entire head. The wide range of head rotation allows owls to have a panoramic view of their surroundings without needing to move their bodies. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that give them excellent binocular vision, allowing them to judge distances accurately when hunting. This forward-facing eye position is beneficial for depth perception, but it limits their field of view compared to other birds. While most birds have eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them a broader visual field, owls rely on head movement to scan their environment. Their head rotation ability compensates for this limited field of view, enabling them to be highly effective hunters. 4. How head rotation enhances hunting skills. Owls are primarily nocturnal hunters, and their exceptional head rotation plays a vital role in their hunting technique. When hunting in low light or total darkness, owls rely heavily on their sharp senses of sight and hearing. Being able to turn their heads quickly and silently allows them to locate prey from a distance and track its movements without revealing their presence. The ability to rotate their heads almost entirely around also helps owls remain still while observing their surroundings. Staying still is crucial for hunting, as movement can alert potential prey. By keeping their bodies stationary and only moving their heads, owls can remain undetected. This stealth is essential for hunting small mammals, insects, and other animals that are highly sensitive to movement. Additionally, owls' keen sense of hearing works in tandem with their head rotation. Owls have asymmetrically placed ear openings, which help them locate sounds precisely. By turning their heads, they can better focus on sounds coming from different directions, allowing them to pinpoint the exact location of their prey even in complete darkness. This ability is particularly useful for species like barn owls, which can hunt by sound alone. The evolutionary advantage. Owls' ability to rotate their heads to such extreme degrees is a result of millions of years of evolution. This adaptation has allowed them to thrive in a range of environments, from dense forests to open grasslands. Their silent flight, combined with their head rotation ability, makes them one of nature's most efficient hunters. In environments where visibility is limited, such as dense woods or at night, being able to see in multiple directions without moving the body is a huge advantage. This trait likely evolved as a survival mechanism, allowing owls to avoid predators and become more effective hunters. Over time, owls that could turn their heads further had a greater chance of survival, passing this trait down to future generations. 6. Can other birds rotate their heads like owls? While owls are famous for their head rotation abilities, they are not the only birds capable of impressive neck flexibility. Birds in general tend to have more vertebrae in their necks than mammals, giving them a greater range of motion. However, owls are unique in the degree of rotation they can achieve. Most birds cannot match the owl's 270-degree turn, which is why this ability is so often associated with these nocturnal hunters. Hawks, eagles, and other raptors have some degree of head rotation, but it's usually much less than that of owls. The specific adaptations in an owl's blood vessels, vertebrae, and neck muscles are unique to them, making their head rotation ability one of a kind. Conclusion. The marvel of owl adaptation. Owls' ability to rotate their heads almost completely around is one of the many adaptations that make them incredible creatures. This skill is a combination of unique skeletal structure, specialized blood vessels, and the need to compensate for their fixed eyes. It allows them to remain stealthy, track prey with precision, and survive in diverse environments. This head-turning ability is more than just an interesting fact. It's a testament to the power of evolution. Through millions of years, owls have developed specialized features that make them exceptional hunters and masters of the night. So, the next time you see an owl, remember that there's more than meets the eye. This silent hunter is a masterpiece of natural engineering, with adaptations that continue to amaze scientists and nature enthusiasts alike.